African officials have emphasized the significance of sustainable cooperation between China and Africa at the second Forum on China-Africa Cooperation in Agriculture held in China's Shenyang.
The China Agriculture University has introduced a science and technology backyard master's degree program that enables students to be placed in farming communities in China, where they use scientific approaches and methods to increase production. Currently, we have the China Aid project of Agricultural Technical Assistance Phase 1 and Phase 2. The project is extremely meaningful and has started to make life-changing activities on our agricultural sector and our farmer population. The project has trained over 1,500 local personnel.
During the forum, African officials also visited agricultural bases in Shenyang and spoke highly of China's achievements in intelligent agriculture.
I think the green room was very good. They control everything, the nutrition, the lights, the moisture for the plants. It's very advanced. I feel like as the world population increases, we need to be doing more smart, intelligent agriculture.
You use a lot of technology in agriculture, especially greenhouse technology, innovative irrigation technology. So it's very, very impressive. So we want to continue this relationship and learn more on how we can use technology to improve our agriculture sector.
The second Forum on China-Africa Cooperation in Agriculture has been held in the coastal city of Shenyang from November 13th to 15th.